Batumi is a city where every corner reveals a striking contrast. As you wander through these streets, you are walking through time itself. You can admire the diverse religious heritage reflected in its historic churches, synagogues, and cathedrals, alongside an architectural blend that tells a story of the past. This charm continues across the city's vibrant squares, where history is preserved with pride. The city is also a living gallery, filled with unique statues and monuments that bring its public spaces to life. Every sculpture tells a story, adding a touch of personality and artistic flair to the historic streets. Beyond the historic streets, Batumi invites you to relax by the shore. The endless energy of the Black Sea finds its balance here, surrounded by sprawling green parks that offer a perfect harmony between urban life and nature's embrace. A modern vision is coming to life as striking new skyscrapers rise to complement the city's charm. It is a city that embraces the future, making every visit a discovery of both timeless heritage and modern wonder.